Locked out of your Mint Mobile account? No problem. The Mint Mobile app offers several ways to reset your password via email, SMS, or a 2FA app if you have it set up. The app provides 3 secure verification methods to reset your password. To start, tap Sign In on the app, then select Forgot Password or Reset Password. You'll be prompted to enter the email or phone number associated with your account. If you pick email, you'll receive a secure link to verify your identity. For SMS, you'll receive a one-time code to verify your identity. Using a 2FA app will require you to enter the code it generates. Make sure you have access to these before proceeding. All are designed for simplicity and security, leveraging email, SMS, and 2FA to verify user identity. Once you've verified your identity, you can create a new, strong password. Make sure it meets Mint's requirements, usually 8 to 20 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your new password, and if required, complete the 2FA verification again. For added security, consider enabling 2FA if you haven't already. While SMS is convenient, authenticator apps offer better protection against phishing and SIM swapping attacks. Remember, multiple failed attempts may temporarily lock your account, triggering a 24-hour cooldown. If you're still having trouble, contact Mint Mobile support through the app's help section.